Christmas is here again. Ho, 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 ho.
Do you think that Santa celebrates Halloween? Or do you think that Santa celebrates Halloween? Does he watch scary movies or they give him bad dreams? Would he dress like the Grinch to go trick or treat? Do you think that Santa celebrates Halloween? Do you think that Santa
Claus
celebrates Thanksgiving? Or do you think that Santa
looks like this?
celebrates Thanksgiving? Would he eat 7 plates of turkey with stuffing? Take an afternoon nap while football's on TV? Do you think that Santa celebrates Thanksgiving?
Of course, he's Santa Claus.
Too preoccupied making a list, checking it twice. Still I catch myself sometimes in a daze, wondering does Santa Claus dig other holidays? Do you think that Santa celebrates Halloween? Or do you think that Santa celebrates Halloween? Does he watch scary movies or they give him bad dreams? Would he dress like the Grinch to go trick or treat? Do you think that Santa celebrates Halloween? Do you think that Santa
Claus
celebrates Thanksgiving? Or do you think that Santa
looks like this?
celebrates Thanksgiving? Would he eat 7 plates of turkey with stuffing? Take an afternoon nap while football's on TV?
Touchdown!
Do you think that Santa celebrates Thanksgiving?
Of course, he's Santa Claus.
checking it twice. Still I catch myself sometimes in a daze, wondering does Santa Claus dig other holidays? Do you think that Santa celebrates New Year's Eve? Or do you think that Santa
Santa Claus, yes.
celebrates New Year's Eve? Does he get a little loose after 2 or 3 drinks? Would he kiss Mrs. Claus when the midnight bell rings? Do you think that Santa celebrates New Year's Eve?
That's Santa Claus.
Or do you think that Santa celebrates Halloween, Thanksgiving, or New Year's Eve? Or do you think that Santa celebrates Halloween?
Yes.